Kids, today we are going to learn alphabets and words. This is A. A for avocado. This is B. B for blueberry. This alphabet is C. C for cherry. D. D for dragon. This is E. E for egg. This is F. F alphabet. F for flowers. This is F. G. G. G for grapes. This is H. H for hat. I. This letter is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for juice. K. K for kite. This is L. L for lemon. This letter is M. M alphabet. M for mother. This is N. N for net. This is O. O for ox. This is P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. This letter is R. R alphabet. R for rainbow. This is S. S for sky. This is T. For tree. This is U. For uniform. This letter is V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. This is X. X for X-ray. This letter is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. For zero. So, A for avocado, B for blueberry, C for cherry, D for dragon, E for egg, F for flowers, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kite, L for lemon, M for mother, N for net, O for ox, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for sky, T for tree, U for uniform, V for van, W for watermelon, X is for X-ray, Y for yak, Z or Z is equal to 0. Z or Z, 0. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.